UC Global Health Day represents a real opportunity for people who ordinarily wouldn't bump into each other on their respective campuses to come together and meet and talk.
There are collaborations that develop, new research ideas that then are carried across campuses, which wouldn't happen unless you had this kind of getting together.
I'm very excited about this conference because it provides me an opportunity to actually interact with global health experts from a whole variety of disciplines, which you never hear about or get the opportunity to learn about in your own narrow confinements of your discipline.
I'm very excited to see that this event has drawn scores of students, graduate students mostly, but some undergraduates too, from such diverse disciplines as environmental sciences, economics, sociology, entomology, and our new School of Medicine.
These two students were put together, this panel of doctoral students from, say, 3 UC campuses to address really important issues at the cross of women's empowerment and health. And I thought it was very interesting, the different perspectives they were able to bring together. So again, that's what UC Global Health Institute represents, this transdisciplinary approach, multi-campus approach.
Global health is so broad that there's so many things going on, from maternal health to migrant health, to looking at food security, all sorts of different issues.
I came to present as part of a panel on migration and health.
My research focuses on older immigrants' health in the US.
Personally, what I found most helpful is the keynote speakers, because they talk about things which can unify themes across multiple disciplines.
We had a keynote speaker this morning, Dr. Ezekiel Emanuel, who really changed the paradigm on how we think about diseases in the global world and what we can do about them.
I thought Dr. Ezekiel Emanuel's talk was right on target. When you have an inadequate budget to deal with the big health challenges facing the world today, you have to make choices. What do you put your health dollars into? What kind of activities? What kind of diseases?
As I said, we're spending $28 billion on global health. I want to focus us in on the problem that we have a gap. We have a persistent gap in global health assistance. And the question is, what do we do in addressing that?
Well, the whole experience has been really great. I think the part that I like the most is just kind of getting to share my research and seeing everyone else's and collaborate and meet people from all across the 10 campuses and see such different perspectives, looking at related things in such a different way.
It's been a great experience. The keynote speaker's speech was very interesting. It's a great networking opportunity.
I think that's the biggest benefit, is just being able to see people from across the UCs and see what type of work they're doing and be able to just network with them and talk about, potential collaborations in the future and just learn what's out there and what other people are doing. It's really exciting, actually.
The compelling concept I think we all developed 8 years ago was to bring the 10 campuses together and make the sum of the 10 campuses greater. It's the one day where the whole university comes together. And if you see the excitement of the students, the types of presentations they're making, the questions they ask, you feel this is great.